The eye-catching slimline LED table and floor lamp are a beautiful, simple design providing the brightness of a much larger lamp. The daylight LEDs provide high contrast and accurate colour matching, making it easier and less tiring to read, work and see detail clearly. LEDs never need replacing and use very little energy. The lamps have long reach and provide light over a wide area, ideal for illuminating large work surfaces. A table base is available separately for the table model, as is an optional magnifier that can be clamped onto both models. Perfect for the home, for reading, for nail salons and many other uses.